Okay, this is a crappie. I'm going to show you two different ways you can fillet a crappie. Alright, first you cut underneath the fin. The two ways I'm going to show, one you can go straight down the back, or this way you can go up the tail first. What I'm doing is, you can feel the backbone here. I'm letting my knife ride up the backbone. And then once you hit resistance, you're hitting the ribs. And then that's about the time you go on the back side of the fin. You can see there's bones here that kind of like, you don't want to cut through any of those.
I don't like it.
And then what I'm doing, I'm kind of ripping but cutting along this rib cage, because you don't want any of those bones. I just kind of rip and cut. And then cut off the rest. And there's not a single bone in that. The other way you can do it is cut underneath the fin. And then you can go down.
That fish looks cute.
You can go down the back side. Like I said, there's bones right here that I'm using as my guide. And as you can see on this side, this is the rib cage. So about midsection, that's when you can put your knife all the way through. And then go down the tail that way. And then kind of do the same thing. And then I'm gonna rip. This is easier with a sharp knife. This knife isn't very sharp. Okay, so as you can see, there's not much waste, and then there's no bones, so that's good. And then just to finish the fillet, you lay your knife flat. Lay your knife as flat as you can on the board. Like I said, this is a pretty dull knife. Normally it's easier than this. This is ice cold water, and then you can put a little salt in there to brine it.